Hey, let me show you the most common reasons why people can't hear you on your AirPods Pro 3. So the first one, you will have to check if you turn on microphone of the both AirPods. So by opening Bluetooth settings on your AirPods Pro 3 on the iPhone or iPad, you will have to scroll down and you have to simply search for that option called microphone and make sure that you select an automatic switch AirPods. And right now you have to also check for some gestures. So sometimes when you are on the call and you press once on that touch sensor on the left or the right AirPod, you can actually mute the microphone of the AirPods. So to unmute, you have to just do this like so, press once to unmute. And sometimes you can also get dirty microphone. So the microphone for the calls is located just over here. This is the small hole, and make sure that there's nothing inside. If you have something here, then I will recommend you to simply take it off by using this kind of the thin plastic or wooden item. And yeah, that's all my tips for this issue. Let me know if it works.